So now I'm going to go into the option on nTime that shows you your Google Calendar events. Alright, so here's my Google Calendar. And the way the Python script that's running on the PC Arduino works is that it's looking for this wake up title in order to set the alarm. It uses the information inside this event to actually set your alarm. So if I go inside the event, edit event, you can see all the information that I have input. So this is how it gets the distance to your destination. You put your origin and your destination, which in this case is my dorm for college, your preparation time, so how long it takes you to get ready, what time you're supposed to be there, and then this information right here is used for the weather API. So it's telling you, so this is getting the weather for the city you live in, and this is getting the weather for the city you work in, and this is just the state. So the way this is working is it inputs this information into the Yahoo Weather API, and based on that it adds or subtracts some time off of your wake up alarm. So say if it's sunny in Lawrenceville and sunny in Atlanta, then it wouldn't add any extra time to your alarm. But if it was storming in Lawrenceville and a couple of showers in Atlanta, then it would give you an alarm based on that information. And this is your error time. So this is just the amount of time you want to, like, for me, I lollygag a lot in the morning, so this is for if I slack off a little bit in the morning. And so all this information needs to be input into the an event titled wake up. So the good thing about this API is, or the way that I set it up, it doesn't actually matter what time you put the wake up alarm for, as long as it's on the day. So today is the 31st, so as long as it's somewhere on the 31st, it's gonna set my alarm. So I just put it at as soon as the day starts. Alright, so earlier I made an event called meeting, and no, I don't actually have a meeting at 5 a.m., but this is just used for an example. So I'm just gonna put it on the day right here, and you can see the meeting is set at 1:56, and let's see how the nTime reacts to this. Okay, so I set an event called meeting at around 1 o'clock or 1:56, and so earlier I said that this button updates nTime because it's not going to update with the notification, and it updates every 2 hours, and it's not going to update unless I click this button. So I'm going to click update, and the screen flashes, and now it's updated. So now you can see that there is a little script looking thing up here, and if I click this,
you have a meeting at 1:56.
nTime told me that I have a meeting at 1:56, and you can see the date, the time, and the information, or this is just the name of the event. So just as another example, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna edit the name of meeting to, let's make it test. So I'm gonna changing the name of the event, and let's see how nTime reacts to this. So I've just changed the name of the event to test. So right now it's not updated. So if I click this,
you have a meeting at 1:56.
It still says I have a meeting at 1:56, but let's just update it real quick. And now let's check what it says.
You have a test at 1:56.
Now it's telling me I have a test at 1:56. So updating it updates pretty easily from Google Calendar events to the actual nTime. I'll just close the notification. Alright, so I'm just going to play around a little bit with the alarm. So I'm going to go to my next available alarm, which is the one that's going to trigger. And let's just go into here, and I'm just going to change the error time to, let's say, 10 minutes. Say I have to be there at 10 o'clock. And let's say it only takes me 25 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna save this, and I'll do this only for this event. And let's see how the nTime reacts to this change. All right, so I just did some of the inputs on Google Calendar, and let's see how it changes. So it's still saying my alarm is at 6 o'clock, and let me just refresh this. Let me update it, see how it changes. So now it's saying my alarm is at 8:40, and I can check in the clock, and you can see alarm's at 8:40, and it's saying I should leave by 9:10. And that's how nTime reacts to changes in your alarm. Alright, so this is nTime. Be sure to check the description for more information on how I made and programmed nTime. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to be on the lookout for nTime version 2, which is complete with more features. Thanks for watching.